What's going on, my friend? My name's Garrett. Now, chances are you're watching this video because you're looking for the best home business or the best online business to start. Maybe you're someone that's been struggling to truly create the amount of income you want, or maybe you just want to supplement your income and go full-time from home. Either way, this video is for you because what I'm going to do is break down the exact business system that I've been quietly using to generate multiple commissions on a daily basis, almost totally passively. Now, this business system doesn't just work for me, but we've been having people from all over the world, all different backgrounds and experience levels that's been able to plug in and start to create results. So first off, what I want to share with you is on the screen, I'm in my Gmail account. This is the exact account that I've been generating commissions with this business system. Now, these commissions, as you can see, are coming in on a totally daily, sometimes multiple times a day. Congratulations, Garrett. Congratulations, Garrett. Now, these payments range anywhere from about $100 all the way up to $2,000 deposits into my bank account. Now, I'm not sharing this to impress you, but to impress upon you that as you stick with me in this video, you're gonna be able to rest assured that what I'm sharing with you works. Now, before I dive into more information though, I wanna share, if you're brand new to my channel and you never wanna miss out on my latest step-by-step online money-making methods, be sure to hit the subscribe button below so you never miss out on my latest videos. But what I want to also share with you is that if I go into one of the businesses that I'm promoting online, you can see top earning sponsors. This is the leaderboard, and you can see over the last 6 months, okay, Garrett Berry, this is my name right here. So again, what you're gonna realize in a second when I hop on this whiteboard app and break down visually the formula I've been using, as well as how to get access to this business system if you just wanna really plug in today and shortcut your results almost instantly, is it works, okay? What I'm gonna teach you actually is exactly what I've been doing, so you know it actually works. But without further ado, now what I wanna do is hop on this whiteboard and share with you this exact formula. So as you can see right here, I've mapped this out on exactly what I'm doing daily to get the results that I've shared in the beginning of this video. Now, I've also shared this with multiple people from all over the world, students that have actually joined me through this exact system, and they've been able to get some absolutely incredible results as well. Now, what you want to do first off is when it comes to making money online, when it comes to succeeding, you want to promote an affiliate product online. Now, why do I recommend promoting an affiliate product to make good money with a home business rather than trying to go out there and spend months and months with trial and error and investing a lot of your hard-earned money to test what products actually sell? Is it's already working. See, when you find an affiliate product online and you make sure that it's working for other people, which means that it's making other people money, you don't have to do a lot of the trial and error. You can literally just find people that are already interested in that product and just recommend that product to those people, and chances are a lot of them are going to decide to buy. And when it comes to affiliate marketing, when people invest, when people decide to buy through your customized affiliate link that's coded to you, you earn money and a portion of that sale. Now, I also recommend you pick one that has high ticket products and big percent commissions. Now, why do I say high ticket products, and what are high ticket products? Well, high ticket products are basically products that cost a little bit more for the person you're promoting it to. So products that range anywhere from $250 and up are gonna be good to promote because it's gonna hit your income goal a lot faster. A lot of people think that it's harder to sell products that cost more, and this simply isn't true. What you wanna realize is that there's millions of people out there that investing $500 in a home business is a no-brainer. When you realize that starting a McDonald's or opening up a Starbucks on your neighborhood corner can cost up to $1 million and take 5 years to even make back your money, people are very eager to invest up to $2,000 or more into a home business, especially when they realize they can make back their money within the first 30 to 90 days. So this is what you want to realize and what I did. So what I'll do also, a lot of people have been asking me, I'll include a link on or around this video, probably underneath the video in the description, where you can click and discover my #1 recommended over the last 5 years, seeing multiple people that have never done anything like this before, no background experience. They've plugged in. I'm going to include my #1 recommended system to be able to get high ticket affiliate products to promote, as well as everything else I'm about to reveal to you. Now, the next step is once you find a product, you want to use a capture page, okay, which is simply a page that looks like this. You've probably seen one online. It's a page that asks for someone's email address. Now, the reason we want to send people to a capture page is because we want to capture that person's email address to follow up through emails. Now, you have to realize that when it comes to making money online or creating a home business and selling products, most people will not decide to buy instantly. Most people will not see an opportunity in front of them and get started right away. Most people take following up, multiple exposure. So rather than sending people directly to your affiliate sales page, which is a page that explains the product that you can get access to when you promote an affiliate product online, you want to send them to a capture page. That way, you're going to be able to collect their email, then send them to the sales page, and then follow up through emails. Okay, sending them back to the sales page. I'm gonna get into this a little bit more in a second, but let's go back. So once you have a capture page and a sales page, which again, the link below will actually include done for you capture pages that you can just leverage as soon as today and send people to. How do you get people to your capture page? A lot of people wanna know, how do you generate visitors or traffic when you start a home business online? Well, it's very simple. All you wanna realize is that there are multiple places to choose and promote on when it comes to making money online. There's Facebook, there's YouTube, like I'm doing with this video, there's Instagram, there's Twitter, there's paid advertising, such as doing something like a solo ad. So there's multiple ways to get visitors to your capture page and then ultimately to see your affiliate sales page to make commissions online. Now, which one is the best? A lot of people ask me, Garrett, which one should I start with? You know, you're the top of the leaderboard, you've been making multiple commissions. Which one should you do? I recommend to start with the one you're on the most. So a lot of people are on Facebook or they're on Instagram. The path of least resistance is which social media site or which, online place are you on the most? See, I was mostly on YouTube, so I started with doing YouTube videos. If you're mostly on Instagram, start posting on Instagram to generate visitors to your capture page. Now, as you stay subscribed to this channel, I'm gonna be breaking down and revealing more secret strategies to get traffic to your capture page. But this is an overview and a broad stroke on the process. Now, once we send people to the capture page, again, what's gonna happen is they're gonna get redirected automatically to the sales page. Now, the sales page is gonna have usually a video and a buy button. Now, that buy button's coded to your affiliate link. So when they buy through your link, again, you're gonna earn up to $250, up to $2,000, depending on how high you can make on that affiliate product. And again, the one below has multiple products that you can promote all the way up to $2,000. So it's very, very powerful. And then also what's gonna happen though is when they put their email in on that capture page, they'll get added to your email list, which is just a list of email addresses that you're collecting of your leads. And then what you wanna do is set up emails. And I recommend that if you want to do this passively and automated, rather than getting on the phone all day, you can set up automated emails that actually go out following up with people that put their email in, sending them back to the sales page. Okay, and I recommend you do at least 7 follow-up emails. And again, the link below, that business system, that's why I recommend this is my best online business system. That business system is gonna come with done for you emails that you can go ahead and send to people to follow up with them, okay? And this is the process. And as you continue to get more traffic to your capture page, more people are gonna see the sales page and buy, and even more people are gonna get followed up with through this automated email process and get redirected to their sales page. And this process is the exact process I used to, again, make multiple daily commissions on autopilot, because once this system is in place, all you do is send people to your capture page. You can do this on autopilot through running ads. You can post on Facebook, which takes only about 30 to 60 minutes a day. And this is the simple process. So if you like this video, be sure to click the like button. I'm constantly gonna be sharing more step-by-step videos just like this. Also, be sure to subscribe if you haven't. I'm posting weekly videos on how to hit the top of the leaderboard in your company, or how to just make a full-time income online. And last but not least, if you want to discover my #1 recommended system that has all this in place to be able to start to generate income as soon as this week, go to the link below and check that out. Other than that, my friend, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on my next video.